Here I have a VIVO Y71. Let me show you how to enable your developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find and select the settings. Let's scroll down, and here you should find more settings. Select here about phone, and from the following options you need to scroll down and tap a couple of times on software version. As you can see, you are now in a developer mode, so you can go back, and here you can find developer options. Let's tap it. Then you can use the following developer stuff. You can enable, for example, OEM Unlocking. Tap Enable to do it, to allow the bootloader. Here you can also enable USB Debugging. Tap OK to enable USB Debugging. Here you can also select Mock Location App, enable View Attribute Inspection, and use other developer stuff. So that's it. To disable this mode, let's use this switcher. And that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.